On this auspicious day, celebrating our capacities to dignify and elevate ourselves as the top life form on the planet, the president paid tribute to the nation's workers who toil in the wee hours under the noontime heat, or while everyone else sleeps to sustain themselves, provide for others and keep the nation moving forward towards a bright future. Our Floyd Brents took his team to today's Labor Day fair opening and has more on the president's eloquent speech in this story.
Hangad namin, disenteng trabaho para sa bawat Pilipino.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the opening of the nationwide job fair in General Santos City. This is part of the 124th anniversary celebration of Labor Day.
Bilang pagkilala sa inyong pagsisikap, sa inyong sakripisyo at pagpupunyagi, nandito po kami upang ilapit ang serbisyo ng pamahalaan sa ating mga kababayan.
A total of 150,000 jobs were opened today across 94 job fair sites nationwide. The job fair aims to recognize the contributions of Filipino workers and help the unemployed find decent sources of income.
Dama po namin ang hirap na pinagdadaanan ng ating mga manggagawa. Lalo na ngayon na tumaas ang presyo ng langis, ng kuryente at ang mga bilihin. Ngunit hindi po kami tumitigil sa paghahanap ng mga paraan upang dumami pa ang trabaho, ang kabuhayan at ang mga oportunidad para sa ating lahat.
From June 2022 to February this year, more than 6,000 job fairs have already been launched by the government. 1.5 million participated, while around 250,000 were hired on the spot. As of February, the number of employed Filipinos rose to 50 million. This number is expected to grow further after President Marcos Jr. approved 2 trillion pesos worth of investments.
Lilikha ito ng halos 150,000 trabaho.
President Marcos Jr. assured the continued creation of more opportunities for workers through government support.
Pinagtibay natin ang edukasyon at training program upang tumugon sa nagbabagong pangangailangan ng labor market. Sa ating misyon, lampas sa 5 milyong estudyante na ang nakatapos sa ilalim ng TVET. Nagsagawa rin tayo ng bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair sa halos 40 paaralan. Nakakuha ng trabaho ang lagpas sa 1,000 senior high school graduate at mag-aaral ng alternative learning system.
Studies on proposed wage increases are also ongoing.
Naipasa ang 89 na wage order mula Hunyo 2023 hanggang Abril ng 2026. Kabilang dito ang wage hikes na epektibo ngayong araw tulad ng sa Region 10 at sa Region 13. Ang arawang sahod ng manggagawa sa lugar na ito ay tumaas na sa 500 pesos at 475 pesos.
Amid the impact of crisis in the Middle East, the administration assured assistance for workers. This includes fuel subsidies, transport discounts, financial aid, and other programs aimed to easing the burden of Filipinos.
Patuloy lang, tuloy-tuloy ang hanap buhay ng manggagawang Pilipino. Tuloy-tuloy ang suporta ng pamahalaan. Dahil sa patuloy na pagkilos, malalampasan din natin ang lahat ng hamon. Hangad natin ay disenteng trabaho para sa ating mga manggagawa tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang ating mga manggagawa!
Floyd Brents from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.